After mastering single-family rentals and small duplexes, the natural next step for ambitious investors is to enter the highly lucrative world of commercial multifamily real estate. Any property with 5 or more units is officially classified as commercial, which completely changes how banks and lenders evaluate the overall value of the building. Instead of relying on comparable neighborhood sales, the value of a commercial apartment complex is determined almost entirely by the net operating income it generates every single year. This means that if you can slightly increase the rent or decrease the monthly expenses across 20 units, you can instantly force massive amounts of new equity into the property. Managing a larger apartment building is often much more efficient than scattering single-family homes across different cities, because all of your tenants and maintenance issues are safely under one massive roof. While the required down payments are significantly higher, you can easily pool your cash together with other private investors to take down these massive deals without draining your own bank account. Transitioning into this commercial space is exactly how the wealthiest real estate moguls scale. Their net worth from 7 figures into 8 and beyond. Let's dive into the specific math formula known as the capitalization rate, so you can accurately analyze the profitability of your very first multifamily purchase.